welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be like a vlog style video because I'm going to the monkey forest in Trentham, I think it is. Sorry if I'm not looking at the camera, I am driving, so I've like chosen the best place to start driving and film for you. But I'm just driving to my sister's now, and then at about 9 o'clock we're going to be setting off to Trentham. I think it's about an hour and a half away, I'm not 100% sure, but it's about, what time is it now? I can't see because you're covering the clock in my car. I think it's 10 past 8, so I've still got like 40 minutes, 50 minutes till we set off, and I'm nearly there. I'm probably about 10-15 minutes away from my sister's house. So we're going with my sister, her husband and his mum. So obviously she doesn't know that I've got a YouTube channel or that I've done YouTube before, so I don't know how much you'll see of my face, but I'm going to get lots of pictures of hopefully lots of monkeys. I've never been before, so I'm not sure what it's like, but hopefully it is going to be really good. So yeah, I think after that we're probably going to go for a meal somewhere, which might mess up my slimming world, but it's kind of a special day today, so I don't really mind that much. And I've not had my healthy extras today or anything. For my breakfast I haven't had it yet. I'm going to have some tropical grapes that I found in Asda and a gluten-free yogurt, so that should be nice. But yeah, so I just thought I'd start the vlog off before I got there, because obviously since she doesn't know about my YouTube channel, it's probably easiest if I start it off when she's not there. But yeah, this is the first time I've like vlogged and drove, but don't worry, I sorted my camera out before I set off, and all I had to do was press the button, and literally I'm not going to, you know, do anything to the camera until I've stopped, like press pause or whatever. So yeah, I don't really know what else to talk to you about, guys. I just can't wait to show you what we do. I hope that the monkeys are out. The day's meant to be, well, the weather is meant to be really nice today, so I'm hoping that like there'll be lots of monkeys and they're meant to like walk around you and stuff. I've never been, like I said, but I know someone who has been, and they said it's really good. So yeah, I will let you know more when I know more. I will probably show you those tropical grapes, because if you want to get them you should, because they're amazing. They taste like, I don't even know, like a tropical fruit juice, so they're really nice. So I'll show you those maybe when I get there. But I've brought a book with me to read. It's called To All the Boys I've Ever Loved, I think it is. To All the Boys I've Loved Before, I think that's what it's called. And I can't wait to start reading it, because I know there's a Netflix film coming out soon of it, and I've been wanting to read it for ages, so I bought it on eBay the other week and I still haven't had a chance to start it, so I'm hoping that this weekend will be the perfect time to start it. Anyway, I will stop talking because I don't want to have too much footage of me just rambling on, and I will see you soon. So I'm here now, and I thought I'd just show you the grapes. So these are the grapes, the Asda Extra Special Tropical Flavour Seedless Grapes, and they're absolutely amazing. £1.79, which I don't think is bad. And then I've got my gluten-free, and then I've got my Disney backpack there ready with all my stuff in it.
Because a lot of trees you can see kind of things like clear and then cut stuff.
You know, just having a little sit down. Waiting for my lunch. Oh, what's happening?
Monkey business.
Ooh.
Well, see, they're looking up to see what's happening. Jurassic Park, I'm telling you.
Some kind of monkey fight.
It's going to come like mad, like a giant monkey. It's going to come running through the
Imagine.
bushes.
Whoa, giant monkey!
Introduce you to the Barbary macaques who call this 60-acre forest home. I'll be feeding them in a minute, but first I'd like to tell you a little bit about them. Barbary macaques are a fascinating and unique species. We don't have native primates living in the UK, but Barbary macaques originate from Morocco and Algeria in North Africa. So in terms of distance, they're actually, unfortunately today, they are a highly endangered species, with fewer than 8,000 surviving in the wild. The population has decreased by more than 50% in the last 30 years, and if this continues, then soon there'll be no Barbary macaques left in the wild at all. The biggest problem is the destruction of their natural habitat of cedar and oak forest. Too many trees are being cut down, and the monkeys are forced to compete for food with livestock grazing on the same plants. Another problem is the illegal trade of baby monkeys. Every year in Morocco, around 300 babies are taken away from their mothers and sold illegally as pets, most of them within Europe. Trentham Monkey Forest is one of 4 parks in Europe dedicated to the protection of this fascinating species. At Trentham, excellent option for reintroductions. In the past, our sister parks in France and Germany have been able to successfully reintroduce 600 monkeys back into Morocco. However, at the moment, there are no babies. Just by visiting today, you are helping wild Barbary macaques, as Monkey Forest supports a number of conservation projects within North Africa. If you'd like to know more, you can food out, and I'll tell you more about the monkeys in a few minutes. Some grains and seeds and some plums, which I'm just going to spread around.
Look, that one's getting angry.
That's mine.
He's like, I want something. Oh, great.
It's a big bunch.
It's like, yum. Love me great.
And get your scrap.
Go on, have a go, Ivan.
I can't whistle.
No, I won't either. Oh, he's putting it on top of there.
I like how he sat there eating his bunch of grapes.
I know.
Yeah.
Winter temperatures can drop as low as -15 degrees centigrade, so the climate's similar to here. They have a number of adaptations for this climate. In the winter, they have a long, thick coat to protect them from cold temperatures, and in the spring, they molt and grow a short summer coat to cope with hot temperatures. And that's something some of our monkeys have started doing now, which helps the mother to produce milk and gives the babies lots of time to grow, ready to face their first winter. With the mating season at an end, we expect a number of females to be pregnant. Last year, we had 4 babies born, 2 boys and 2 girls. Looking at the monkeys around us, who do you think is the youngest? Can you point them out? Going for this one? Yeah, that's right, it's a little 2-3-year-old juvenile here. There's a little sub-adult in front of me too. is anywhere below 8 years old for a male. Female Barbary macaques are fully grown by 6 and males even later by 8. If we take the monkey sitting on the rock and the one just to my side, both of these monkeys are adults. But which weight? Thank you.
They don't sleep as long as we do in the wild, because they can winters with knots, so in the wild they don't sleep.